everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a thread within a Discord text channel. So this is fairly easy. What we're going to do is we're going to start off a starter message for our thread. And let's say, I know in some channels we've got like a tech channel where we talk about all the different new tools that are out, but I'm just going to send this message. All right, and then once we have that message, I am going to go hover over it. And then there's like the pound sign with a little message over it. What we can do is now that will create the thread for us. So we can do thread 1, thread 2. And there you go. We have created the thread. We can change our notification settings here as well. We can edit the thread, close the thread, lock the thread, a bunch of different things that we can do, especially as we are admins of this server. But that is how you go ahead and start a thread within Discord. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.